In this tutorial we'll go through how to create a Facebook campaign with the Muzaara platform. So once we have imported our data feeds, we can then go through to use the data feed to create a dynamic ad on Facebook. So to do that, we can see the imported data feeds we have here, how many products and when it was last updated. If we click on My Campaign, this will import all our current campaigns from either Facebook, Google or Bing, whichever accounts you have connected. Please note that even though it will import these campaigns, it will only manage campaigns that you've created in the Muzaara platforms and not change any of the campaigns you currently have in Facebook, Google or Bing. So what we do is we'll go to create a Facebook campaign and we name the campaign. So this one will be summer sale. We now have the campaign objective, whether we want awareness, consideration or conversions. In this case we're going to go for conversions. It will ask us to define the ad account. If you have more than one ad account to your Facebook ad manager, you select it here, and then just tags to quickly find the campaign that you're running. So when we create a campaign, we'll create many ad sets underneath that campaign. We recommend at least 5 for the system to be able to test, and also to do A/B testing from the results you get. So with this one, we're going to say summer sale mobile. It asks us to connect a business page. For this example, we only have Muzaara as our Facebook page. And then it will ask you to define your URL for the website. We'll go into more details of what this is for, but this should be landing on your home page. Now with the ad message, bear in mind that it's creating dynamic ads based on the users from your data feed. So you're going to have a range of different products that are pulled from your data feed. So this should be a strong call to action. You could put, for example, free shipping over $100. You could have summer sale up to 40% off. Or a strong one we found is using a coupon code. For this example, we'll go with this call to action. It asks us to define the data feed we would like to use. So for this example, it's going to be honey feed and what our optimization goals are. So these will be for link clicks. Now we look at the placement, whether we want to target desktop users or mobile users. In this ad set, we're going to create mobile users and what type of ad we want, whether it's a call to action which has the shop now button or whether it's a carousel. So we'll decide carousel and we go through to the next step. Now with this one, we're looking at locations and demographics. Obviously the more targeted you can be, the better the campaigns will perform. These are all pulled directly from Facebook. So we just enter in the country, the language, we're going to look at the gender, the age from 16 to 25, whether they're interested, male, female, or you can leave it as all, relationship status, and also their education status. Then you want to look at their interests. So again, this is being pulled from Facebook, and we want to define this as targeted as possible to really find the correct users who will be interested in purchasing our products. We can look at schools, we can look at field of studies, we can even drill down into employers, job titles, and you can use your current custom audiences or you can import your custom audience through the Muzaara platform. So this could be a list of all your current customer email addresses you have in your system. You can import this into the Muzaara platform. Facebook will then match it to users they can find on Facebook platform, and you can create lookalikes. So for this example, we've imported our online shoppers and we've created a lookalike, and then we're going to, because we're doing it for conversions, we're going to attach it to our pixel. The custom event is what do we define as being a conversion. We have a range of different ones, but for this example we want to make a purchase. So we go through to the next step. Now the platform can basically separate your results in different target audiences, and it's a maximum of 100, which is defined by Google, by Facebook. So what we can do here is select a range of them to look at the performances and go through to our budget as the next step. So here we can either decide a total budget or a budget per day. So we'll define $20 and we'll say per day, when we want to start the campaign and when we want to end this. The bidding, whether we want to do on a CPM or CPC, and what is the billing event. So for this example, we're going for link clicks. And now we've created the campaign in one ad set. It comes up to ask us to confirm permission is required from our Facebook accounts. Once you've done this on your very first campaign, which will be logging into Facebook and approving the Muzaara platform, even though you've connected it to the platform, you can simply click done, and we click publish on Facebook. Now this will push all the current details that you've had onto your ad manager in Facebook. Your data feed will be pushed as well and be imported by Facebook. So this can take 20 to 30 seconds to push through. But once it's been successful, it will come back and show us the ad set. So now we're in the ad manager. We can see the campaign has been created, and we can see I've created 3 different ad sets under that. What we can have a look is at the ad set and have a look at how this shows on Facebook. So when we drill into the Facebook, we can see the purchases that have been made. We can have a look to preview it. And now we can see this ad set. So we can see the call to action that we've defined. Again, what we've done is, let's say the product has 5,000 or 1,000, the data feed has 1,000 products. The system will automatically show an equal weight to each product across the carousel. Each product, you can see, has a product title which has been shortened, plus a price in the title, and then a little bit of the description with the image. When we click through to this, it is going directly to that product page. So it's very targeted to your users, and you can see the product with the price. When we go back to Facebook, the last one where you define your URL will actually be where you see more at. So this is why we define it either a category page, an event page, or usually it will be defined the home page. If we refresh this, we'll find it showing different products. So it's really targeting. Our platform will start to optimize based on the click-through rates. The better a product engages with the audiences, the more it's going to show up in your carousel ad. So that is how you create a dynamic ad through Facebook using Muzaara platform.